Here's what you need to know about video modes on Insta360 One RS. Click the icon in the lower left corner of the screen to select a shooting mode. Standard video. Click the shutter button to start recording. Click again to stop. HDR. Capture stunning videos with lifelike highlights, shadows, and everything in between. Slow motion. Slow down your shots with up to 8 times slow motion capture. Note, 5 times and 8 times slow motion is only supported when shooting in 1080p. Recording in 2.7K only supports 4 times slow motion. Loop recording. Waiting for the perfect moment? Shoot continuously with footage that overwrites itself. And you'll never miss a shot again. Timelapse. Keep your camera still and shoot anything from busy streets to changing skies. Adjust how quickly your camera records images to control the speed of your video. TimeShift. Shoot epic hyperlapses on the move. Just apply the TimeShift edit to speed things up or slow them down. Bullet time. The famous Matrix shot, no special FX team needed. Watch the world slow down around you, while horizon leveling keeps things steady. 6K widescreen mode. Shoot footage that would look right at home in a Hollywood movie, with a classic 2.35:1 ratio for widescreen viewing.